This is actually an interesting question. Okay, consider a truss PQR. This very simple triangle. Okay, and it is having a force at this top. Okay, the tension in the number QR. I need to find the tension in this number. We'll see. We'll see. This is very simple sum. Okay, in order to find tension in any members, there are basically two methods. One is the first sum we solved, like taking the moment about one direction and taking the reaction forces like that. The other one is drawing a free body diagram. Okay, for this sum, if you draw a free body diagram with respect to Q, the sum is very simple. Okay, for that we need to know the some basic thing before doing that. First thing is the reaction of Q, the reaction force of R. Okay, and we know what is the angle here, and we know what is the angle here, and we know the force, some force is there, and we don't know what is the value of that one. But the thing that we need here is what is the distance between this two extremes, right? So in order to find that one, I know only the angles. Okay, so I'm going to draw a imaginary line here, and this is my 90-degree, and this is also my 90-degree. So how can I find I need to find a distance between this and distance between this two, right? Okay, let's see how to find that one. If I take tan 30, this is my first step. Take tan 30-degree. What is that? Opposite by hypotenuse. Sorry, opposite by adjacent. This is my opposite. I will name this as x. Okay, I'm going to name that one as x. The distance between is nothing but this to this is my x, and I need to find what is this one and what is this one. Okay, tan 30 is nothing but opposite divided by adjacent. I don't know what is my adjacent. Okay, so I am going to name it as b, and this is going to be my b. Okay, the distance between this to this is my b. Okay, so I can say tan 30 is nothing but 1.732 b, which is equal to x. So I found my uh, okay, let's see how to find the value b, which is equal to x by tan 30, and my b, which is equal to 1 by tan 30 is nothing but put it in calculator, you will get 1.732x. Okay, this is my b value. B value is nothing but 1.732x, and I need to find my this one. Okay, I am naming it as a. Okay, tan 45, which is equal to opposite, that is x divided by a. So tan 45 is nothing but 1, so x, which is equal to a. So this is my x value. Simple. So fine, I have found my angles. So what is my next job is to find the reaction forces. First, I am going to find the reaction force, say RQ. That is going to be my reaction force. Let's see how to find that one. If you are very good at taking moments, this is going to be the very simplest sum. First thing is taking moment about Q. If I take moment about Q, we'll see what I will get. Let's see. Okay, if I take moment about Q, I will get F is in this is my Q, and after some distance, that is X distance, I have my force F acting here, and it is in the clockwise direction. That is, clockwise direction is positive, right? So I am taking my F into X, that is positive. And after that, after some distance, I have my R, that is my reaction force R, and it is in this direction, that is nothing but anti-clockwise, and that is my negative. So R, the distance between this to this is nothing but 1.732 x plus x. Am I right? Because x is here and I know my b is, which is equal to going to be 0. So how can I find, first thing I can, with this I can find my RR, which is equal to RR into 2.732x. So I can cancel this x and this x. Okay, this is simple. Okay, so F, sorry, this is my x. Okay, this is my x. Once again, with this one I can say F into x, which is equal to R into 2.732x, right? So this x cancels each other, and my R is going to be nothing but 1 by 2.73 into F, which is nothing but 0.366 F. Okay, this is going to be my RR, that is reaction force here. Let's say, okay, reaction force here, and I am going to find my RQ now. Okay, now I am going to find my RQ. RQ is nothing but, as we all know, the vertical force towards upward and is equal to the downward. So I can say RQ plus RR, which is equal to F. So I know what is my RQ I need to find, which is nothing but F minus RR. RR is nothing but 0.366 F. So what is my RQ? Which is nothing but 0.634 F. This is my answer. Let's see the answer here. What is the question? The tension in the number QR. The tension in the number QR I need to find. Now I know what is my reaction force here and here. What is the reaction force in the Q? It's nothing but 0.634 F, and here it is 0.366 F, right? And this is my F. Okay, let's see how to find tension in the QR. This is very simple. Now actually we are getting into the question. Okay, first you need to draw a free body diagram for point Q, because that is what we need to find the QR. We need to write Q here, and this is going towards R, right? So I can say this is my force from Q to R. It is positive, and this is my force, that is P to Q, from P to Q. So my arrow direction is like this. Here I have a reaction force Q, right? This is, if you don't know how to draw this free body diagram, the sum is going to be very complicated. Okay, this is the very simple, right? what I have done is just put one, cut this diagram. Okay, if you cut this diagram you will get this, right? That is what I drawn here by representing the forces. Now let's do this resolution of forces and all. Like the angle between them is 45, right? So if I do the force resolution, what I will get here is, in this direction I can say this is my F PQ sine theta, that is sine 45, and in this direction I will get my F PQ cos theta or cos 45, right? My what I need to find is FQR, that is tension in the number QR, okay, which is equal to, that is my FQR, that is moving in the right side, is going to be equal to the force which is moving in the left side, right? I'm moving means it's not moving, I mean the tension towards PQ, that's what I'm saying. Okay, FPQ cos 45, right? This is what I am going to find. Okay, but I don't know what is my FPQ, right? Because I don't know what is FPQ, I need to find that one. So what I can say, FPQ sine 45 is going to be equal to RQ, right? The resolution of RQ, that is nothing but 0.634 F, right? That is 0. Okay, so 0.634 F is going to be equal to FPQ sine 45. So my FPQ is nothing but what is sine 45 is okay. So I know my FPQ is nothing but 0.634 F, which is divided by sine 45. Okay, this is what I'm getting. So I'm going to substitute here. Okay, so what I will get, FQR is going to be 0.634 F, which is divided by sine 45 into cos 45. So I can easily cancel this to 1, and my answer is going to be 0.634 F, that is 0.63, that is my B.